Hello, I'm Mike from Universal Skills. Today we're going to have a brief look through our new Ideal heat pump. It's a split unit, so we're going to go outside and have a look at the outside unit first. So, as you can see outside, we've got our unit, which is where it's going to collect the air from the outside atmosphere, taking it through the collector at the back and heating the gases inside of the refrigerant. The reason this is so efficient is the refrigerant inside the unit boils at a much lower temperature than normal air, so we can gather the heat from the atmosphere to provide heat for our hot water and heating. If we go inside now, we'll show you a bit further. Hi, so now we're back inside. I'm just going to give you a little look at the condenser unit, which is where the gases from outside come back hot and transfer the heat into our hot water and our heating emitter circuit. So if we just pull that front off, Charlotte, that's for you. As you can see in here, we have an expansion vessel which takes up the expansion in the system, and a pump which allows the water to circulate throughout the system at the back there. And then inside here we've got two flared copper tubes. So as you can see from what we said outside, the refrigerant goes out as a liquid into the outside, and as it boils up and absorbs the heat, changes to a gas, it comes back in the larger pipe, nice and hot, which is where we're going to get our energy from. As it passes through the back of here, there is a heat exchanger, allowing that heat to transfer from the gas to our central heating and hot water circuits, which then pass out and around the system. Right, the next part of the setup is we've got a standard hot water cylinder, unvented, which will provide as much hot water as you require, a diverter valve which allows the heat from the condenser to be split between the heating and on hot water. Depending on the size of your house, you may need a buffer tank. Now all this does is stop the cycling of the unit outside and waste any unnecessary energy by kicking in too early. So come 2025, when gas stops going into the new build and these become the standard install, now is a great time for you to come on our course, all you established plumbers and heating engineers, to get yourselves ahead of the game.